Hello, uh, candidates. Yeah. So now I wanted to tell you about mutual funds. Mutual funds, I think the scheme that I have kept it here. Yeah. What are the different types of mutual funds? What are the different types of mutual funds? Various types of mutual fund schemes exist to cater to different types of needs of people. Largely, there are three types of mutual funds. I'll be telling you about this. In the meantime, you listen to this boy. He is telling very nicely.
Super Bhaiya, here is my wedding invitation. Make sure you're free on 25th, huh? And one more thing. वैसे तो आप दुनिया भर को टिप्स देते रहते हो इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए. Got any special tips for me? Since I'm starting my new life. Like some good mutual funds investment options.
लक्ष्मी, इन्वेस्ट करने से पहले ये जानना बहुत जरूरी है कि ब्रॉडली कितने टाइप्स के फंड्स होते हैं एंड व्हिच पाथ डू यू विश टू टेक. For instance, if you choose the path of equity funds, then your money is invested in shares of companies.
And why would I choose this path?
You would if you want high returns and growth in the long run.
Oh, or debt funds?
Debt funds invest your money in government bonds as well as corporate bonds and money market instruments.
And hybrid funds must be a combination of both. ऐसी स्कीम जो both equity और debt funds में invest करता है, right?
Exactly. Hybrid funds are good for both income generation and growth.
Wow, this is so easy to understand. I wanna go on.
Hold on, you don't have to decide your paths in a hurry. Think about it. You too must think about it and watch the other videos for more information on each of these paths. Now, whichever mutual fund investment road you choose, may you have a very happy journey on it. आखिरकार म्यूचुअल फंड्स सही है.
Yeah. So that's what he has told you. One is equity or growth funds. These invest predominantly in equities, that is shares or of companies. The primary objective is wealth creation. The primary objective is wealth creation or capital appreciation. They have the potential to generate higher return and are best for long-term investments. Examples would be large cap funds, which invest predominantly in companies that run large established business funds. Mid cap funds, which invest in mid-sized companies. Funds which invest in mid-sized companies. Small cap funds that invest in small-sized companies. Multi-cap funds that invest in mixture of large, mid and small-sized companies. Sector funds that invest in companies that are related to one type of schemes. Yeah. Next is about one type of, here it is told, thematic funds that invest in a common theme. For example, infrastructure funds that invest in companies that will benefit from the growth in the infrastructure segment. Tax saving funds. Next one is number 2, bond income or bond or fixed income funds. These invest in fixed income securities like government securities or bonds, commercial papers and debentures, bank certificates of deposit and money market instruments like treasury bills, commercial paper, etc. These are relatively safer investments and are suitable for income generation. Examples would be liquid funds, short-term, floating rate, corporate debt, dynamic bond, gilt funds. The third one is hybrid funds. These invest in both equities and fixed income, thus offering the best of both growth potential as well as income generation. Examples would be aggressive balanced funds, conservative balanced funds, pension plans, child plans, and monthly income plans. So these are the three different types of mutual fund schemes. Then I wanted to know about what is net asset value. Net asset value is the value as on a particular date that we can check up from here. If you go and check what is the scheme name you want and latest net asset value, what is the net asset value, when was it started, all these things are given. I just clicked Axis Mutual Fund. It has Axis Banking PSU Debt Fund, Direct Plan Bonus Option 1532, like that it is there. Kindly go through this link and get to know more details also about mutual funds. Then the reasons to invest is that possibly why mutual funds, you may get a higher return, but my practice had been in reverse. I was always getting less than fixed deposit. That's a different thing. It is important to link your PAN and Aadhaar card early. To know the performance of mutual fund schemes, you can click and see which fund is doing very well and then invest monies. Thank you so much. I wanted to share this information.